Hello, guys. Thank God it's Friday, and I love doing business on the Nigerian Stock Exchange on Fridays. Thank God it's Friday. So, off we go. Okay, I've got a pending order, but let's just look at first. My stocks, as you can see, RB Mortgage Bank is up by 5%. If I've got anything in my portfolio that is substantial, I'm going to offload some so that I can make some tiny profit. So checking my RB, I've got over 5,000 units, so I'm going to sell 5,000. See, that's 5,000. Review my order. As you can see, market is currently closed, but that doesn't stop me from placing my order. Sending order. My order has been placed. That's first move of today, Friday. Okay. What next? Looking for more. As you can see, that is right there in my pending order because the market is still closed. Opens in 3 hours time, which is after 10 in Nigeria. Okay, also checking my portfolio. ABC Transport, over 8%. All right, if I've got anything that is still good, remember this, always sell. If you want to offload anything from your portfolio, offload or sell when the values of those shares are up. Let me check. I'm an investor in over 20 companies on the Nigerian Exchange. So I've got a variety of portfolios. So in my ABC Transport portfolio, I've got over 1,000 units. So I'm going to offload 1,000 units. That's 1,000 from my ABC portfolio. Review the order. Okay, again, it's showing market is currently closed. The order will be executed at market price when the market opens at 9:10 a.m. Okay, let's do it. Right. It's processing. Okay, there's a good way. This is a good way, exciting way to get this Friday started. Right, so I'll check, see again. Okay, thank you. Back to the dashboard. As you can see, I've got 3 pending orders. One was from yesterday out to Briscoe. Right, they were dying value. I bought some, but it was too late for the processing to go through. Okay, so back to the dashboard. Checking out my portfolio. Ooh, this is exciting. Secure Electronics is down by 10%. There is no way you want to miss this. This is a real bargain. What a way to get Friday going by 10%. Okay, I'm going to go for 5,000 units of Secure Electronic shares. Right. Buy. That's 5,000 units. Okay, review my order. Okay, market is closed, but that doesn't stop my order from being placed. Right, it's placing, sending my order. Okay, that's email confirmation. It's sending my order. Order submitted. That's exciting. Let's continue with the training. Meanwhile, I've got another seminar coming up on Thursday 26th at Brixton Library live class from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. So back to today's business. Thank God it's Friday. Back to the dashboard. Okay, as mentioned earlier, I've got investment in over 20 companies on the Nigerian Exchange. Africa Prudential Insurance, let me have a look. It's up though, it's tiny. Okay, there's not enough there to sell. Back to the dashboard. Let me see. ICO Insurance is down by less than 1%. I'll leave that for now. Austin Lars is down by over 6%. That is tempting. I've got to go for some of these Austin Lars. I'll record it. Austin Lars down by 6.13%. And at 459 is not actually the price, but by what has happened to it in the market. Okay, so that's the key thing you look for. That's the key thing I'm looking for. So Austin Lines, I'm going for it. By 1,300. So that's 1,300 units of Austin Lines. Okay, it's processing my order. That email, you always get an email order submitted. Good. Back to the dashboard. You can see those are my pending orders. I've got 5 pending orders, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've made 4 moves today before the market is open. Alti Briscoe was from yesterday, which didn't go through. It's on the queue, but for today, I've got Abbey Building Society, ABC Transport, Nigeria Secure Electronics, and Austin Lars, which I just did. So back to the dashboard. Let's see, Austin Lars, Berger, and also, as I like to say, when the shares value are at 0%, if I'm desperate, I can buy, but at least I'm not going to suffer any loss. But so I'm not doing anything for Boa Cement. I've got investment in Boa Cement and Berger Paints. I'm not doing anything. But Cadbury, have a look at this. Cadbury is down. The values of these are how the market closed yesterday. Cadbury is down by over 6%. I've got to go for that. Remember, I always buy when the value of a particular share in my portfolio is down. So Cadbury closed at over 6% down yesterday. So I'm going for that 6.38. I put that in my record. 6.38 was the price, closing price. 66, that's not the price. The price is not the actual thing, as I've said, but the fact that it's how it ended in the market, was it up and down or neutral? So 66 naira, that's not the issue, but I'm just going for it because it's down. So that means as of yesterday, this 66 is 6% of the share price was knocked off yesterday. So I'm going to buy, let me just see how many, 150 unit of Cadbury. Okay. So Cadbury, buy one. You will my order. I place the order. So Cadbury is going. Anxiety. Okay, so that's Cadbury in the bag also. So just before I close this session, this masterclass, you can see pending orders. I've got Cadbury, I've got Austin Lars, I've got Nigerian Stock Electronics, I've got ABC Transport, I've got Abbey Building Society and RT Briscoe. All these are to be processed immediately the market opens. So that's it for now, folks. Thank you for watching, and then I'll catch you in the next masterclass.